Good morning, children. Today we will start our next topic in 11th chapter, that is national phase. National first phase, national movement. So in that we will read the moderate phase. In the moderate phase, when the 20th century came, when the Congress was your government, at that time moderate nationalists or modern leaders dominated the party. They will dominated the parties like Sundarnath Banerjee, Deshwa Vasha, and the Mehta ji and Gopal Krishna Gokhale was some of the moderate leaders, means who support Indians. इन्हें support किया था इंडिया को. They were moderate in their objectives and method because their objectives and method will be the similar one. All are having the same objective, that they want the India to become an independent. They believed that in the constitutional method and in the method of procession, they regularly sent the petition and resolution to the government asking for freedom of speech, expression. They will ask for the promotion of education, recruitment of Indians to high posts in the administration, more power for the legislative council, and more Indian members in this council. So they will demand for these things. तो इन्हें मॉडर्न फेज जो आपके लीडर्स थे, दे विल डिमांड दिस थिंग्स फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिशर्स. Change in, they want that their economic policies will be changed out to get the benefit for the Indian industries. Indian industries को benefit मिल सके. So the moderate phase means in the moderate phase the leaders wants to change these things which we will have read. Okay, next topic, that is British attitude towards Congress. What was the attitude of Britishers towards the Congress? So the British was favorably inclined towards the Congress during the early 8 years of the formation. British were totally inclined towards the Congress, totally disagree to the Britisher, to the Indians. क्यों? क्योंकि इंडियंस को सपोर्ट करते थे. सो सम ऑफ द ब्रिटिश ऑफिशियल्स इवन अटेंडेड द कांग्रेस सेशन एंड एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द डिस्कशन, बट सम ऑफ द ब्रिटिशर्स वर अटेंड द असेंबली ऑफ द कांग्रेस. बट हाउ एवर सून द ब्रिटिश टर्न टू द हॉस्टाइल टूवर्ड्स इट्स. हॉस्टाइल मीन्स सुना सुनाया, वो भी मना कर दी कि नहीं, वी विल नॉट अटेंड द कांग्रेस. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको दूसरे लोगों ने भड़का दिया. सो दे विल नॉट अटेंड द असेंबली एंड डिस्कशन ऑफ द कांग्रेस. They began to criticize the Congress. They began to say the bad things against the Congress. They realized that instead of becoming a means to contain the anger of the masses, the Congress was, they began to say that the Congress was opposed of the Britishers. So the Congress was become focus of Indian nationalism. So Congress will become the main motive of the Congress was Indian nationalism. The radical phase in the failure of the moderates to achieve the political reform brought forth new trend in the Congress, means failure हो गया था moderates का. So they become the part of the Congress, and the new group of leaders were called radical nationalists, or simply as radicals. So they were led by the Lala Lajpat Rai, means they attend new nationalism parties, means group wise उन्हें divide कर लिया और Indians को एक तरफ रख लिया. So this assembly will contain the members Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Bose, Pal. These leaders felt that the present way of Congress were ineffective, and they were in favor of more radical objectives and methods. They will be favoring that the Indians having the similar objectives and motives. So they called all political actions as strikes and boycott and the mass demonstration to spread awakening among the people and to achieve political reforms. So they want that all will achieve the political reforms, political changes they want. So the Bal Gangadhar Tilak called for the attainment of Swaraj. Who declared the Swaraj? Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and he declared one slogan in the MCQ. You have to remember this slogan: Swaraj is our birthright, जन्म हित अधिकार है, and I shall have it. और ये मैं लेके रहूँगा, है ना? These are the leaders who support Indians a lot to have a nationalism. So they declare Swaraj, India as an Swaraj. Next, it was within partition of Bengal in 19th July 1905. The Victory Lord Curzon issued an order dividing the provinces of Bengal. So when the partition took place, you have to remember 19 July 1905. The leader at that time, who was the leader? Victory Lord Curzon. Divide the Bengal in the consisting of present day West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Bangladesh, है ना. इन सब एरियाज़ को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया उनने, ईस्ट बंगाल एंड द West Bengal. So in the east part majority of the Muslim will be there. बहुत सारे Muslims जो सारे एरियाज में कवर करते थे उनको रख दिया ईस्ट बंगाल में, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द बंगाल सेपरेटेड फॉर द हिंदूज. हाई परसेंटेज ऑफ हिंदू जहाँ पे, तो उनको हिंदू कम्युनिटी में डिवाइड कर दिया. द रीज़न गिविंग द पार्टीशन वॉज सिंस बंगाल वॉज टू बिग. रीज़न क्या दिया कि बंगाल बहुत बड़ा है इसलिए हमने इसको दो पार्ट में बांट दिया. बट इट वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू डिवाइड इट सो दैट इट कुड बी. बट मेन रीज़न बिहाइंड टू डिवाइड द बंगाल, टू हैव द पार्टीशन ऑफ द बंगाल वॉज it could be administrated efficiently, that the division of work if there, so work can be done efficiently. So to do the work efficiently they divide the Bengal in two parts. But the real reason for the division was something else. मेन रीज़न तो कुछ और था. उनने तो ये बोला कि बंगाल बहुत बड़ा था इसलिए हमने पार्टीशन कर दिया. ऑफ पार्टीशन however was different, है ना. पार्टीशन का रियल रीज़न वॉज वेरी मच डिफरेंट. द नेशनल मूवमेंट इन बंगाल वॉज very strong, and the partition was a deliberate attempt to weaken it by sowing seeds in disunity between Hindus and Muslim. लेकिन मेन रीज़न तो पार्टीशन का यही था कि ब्रिटिशर्स ने इसलिए दो कम्युनिटी में बांटा क्योंकि वो चाहते थे कि हिंदू और मुस्लिम अलग अलग हो जाएं, दे विल नॉट यूनाइट टुगेदर, है ना. सो द पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल वॉज वाइडली क्रिटिसाइज्ड. दे विल क्रिटिसाइज द पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल. ऑल सेक्शन ऑफ पॉपुलेशन रोज अप इन अपोजिशन, है ना. तो ऑल द सेक्शन of the population will be opposed to the Bengal. Hindu or Muslim will start fighting and they will oppose to all. So the demonstrations and the public meeting were held throughout Bengal. All the public meeting and all the demonstration will be held in Bengal. People of all communities tried secure threats on each other's waist to express their solidarity, है ना. सारे लोग इकट्ठा होके अपने लिए एक्सप्रेस फीलिंग करने के लिए they will unite together and they will solidarity and oneness. They will create the oneness in the community. The day of partition took effect on 16 October was observed as a day of mourning, and the 16 October will be called as day of mourning, उजाले का दिन, है ना. So though no business was conducted in entire provinces, means West Bengal, Punjab, Jharkhand, means in everywhere no business will be done at that time, and the national movement instead of weakening become more organized. And that national movement क्योंकि कहीं business नहीं किया गया, सारी बंदे एक ही organization एक ही बल place में आके इकट्ठा हो गए, and they will industrial and mass based जो आपने किया था, and they will divide the Muslim and Hindu into two communities. They will came together organized in one place and fight for the nationalism. So this was the next topic we will read in the next video. Okay, thank you.